How to change booking date on Agoda. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily change the booking date on Agoda after booking. The first thing you're going to have to do is open your web browser or the Agoda app and simply search for agoda.com, hit enter, and click on the first link. Once you open it up, you'll have to log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now from here, you're going to have to find your bookings. Click on your profile and then click on bookings, and it will take you directly to your page where you have all of your bookings listed. So it's asking me to sign in or create. I'll just continue with my account that I'm connected with, and it will send you a OTP on your email. So let me just quickly enter that. Once you've entered your OTP, click on continue and you'll be successfully logged in. So what I'm going to do here is check for the bookings. If you already have any bookings made, you are going to find it right here where it says my bookings. And you'll find all of your upcoming bookings right here. If you click on the list, you'll find the booking right here. You can click on it and you'll have an option to change the date. So something like this. Here you can click on the date and then change the date. So let me just go ahead and choose from August 1 till August 4. Select the number of rooms. So let's say if I want one room for 2 adults, click on search, and it will show you all of the available rooms for that particular hotel, along with other hotels as well. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.